Hi guys, you are watching TechBros English. In this video, I am going to show you some important settings in your Redmi Note 10 Pro Max mobile. Guys, you can also use these settings in Redmi Note 10, Redmi Note 10 Pro mobiles. So guys, whenever you want to lock your mobile, you have to press this power button all the time. But guys, you can also use lock button on your home screen. So hold your home screen. Now select widgets. And from here you can add quick function on your home screen. So add this lock button. Now if you want to lock your mobile, you don't have to press power button, just press this button and your mobile is locked. See, now without pressing power button you can lock your mobile. After this, you can also set up your Wi-Fi hotspot and change your network name. So open settings. Now open portable hotspot. Select setup portable hotspot. You can rename your Wi-Fi network name. And also you can change this password. And save this setting. Your network name is 10 Pro Max and your password is my password. So like this way you can change your portable hotspot network name and password in your Redmi mobiles. Guys, you can also monitor your free RAM in your mobile. Now guys, whenever you minimize your mobile, you see you don't have free RAM status on your mobile. Now you can also show this free RAM status on your mobile. Just hold your home screen. Now open this setting. Now select more. Enable show memory status. Here it shows 3.5 GB out of 6 GB available. Guys, you can also enable internet speed status on your mobile. Go to setting. Open notification and control center. Open status bar. From here you can enable show connection speed. And now you see whenever you use your internet, it shows how much speed you are getting on your mobile. So guys, like this way you can also use these settings in other Redmi mobiles. Guys, you can also turn on Find My Device on your Redmi Note 10 Pro Max mobile. It helps you whenever your mobile is lost or stolen, you can track your mobile and erase your mobile's data remotely. Open setting. Open Me account. Open Xiaomi Cloud. And from here you can see Find Device is turned off. Now turn on this Find Device. Now turn on. Now enter your Me account password. Press OK. Now Find Device is turned on. Guys, whenever your mobile is lost or stolen, you can track and erase your mobile's data remotely. It is very useful feature. So always turn on Find Device in your Redmi mobile. Guys, if you have any question, please comment, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.